In this video, I will show you how you can open apps in a split screen on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Multitasking and Gestures. From here, instead of full screen apps, just either select Windowed Apps or Stage Manager. I will select Windowed Apps. Now after that, now to open apps in a split screen, first of all, just open the selected apps in a floating window. After you do that, in the floating window, you will see these three dots at the upper left corner on the screen. Now just tap and hold on these three dots. Now after you do that, this pop-up menu will appear on the screen. And over here, as you can see, you have three options to open apps in a split screen. You can either open two apps in a split screen. You also have the option to open three apps in a split screen. And finally, you have the option to open four apps in a split screen at once. Now, for an example, if you want to open two apps in a split screen, you will have to open two apps in a floating window first. Now, I will open two apps in a floating window, and after you do that, then just tap and hold on the three dots over here and select split screen between two apps. As you can see, we have successfully split the screen on our iPad between two apps, just like that. If you want to split the screen of your iPad between three apps or four apps at the same time, first of all, just open the amount of apps which you want to open in split screen. For an example, I will open three apps in a floating window. And after that, just tap and hold on the three dots over here. And similarly, just select three apps in a floating window. And as you can see, we have opened three apps in a floating window at once. And similarly, if you want to open four apps in a floating window at once, just open the fourth app and tap on the three dots over here. Now just select split screen between four apps. As you can see, this is how you can split the screen of your iPad between four apps at the same time. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.